Good morning, dear students. I will teach you chapter 13. Name of the chapter 13 is the sound. And yesterday I have completed vibrations are the causes of sound. And today I will start from the tuning fork. What is the tuning fork? A tuning fork is a U-shaped. You can see in the diagram, tuning fork is the U-shaped, and steel fork provided with a steel handle, and this is the steel handle, and the two arms of the tuning fork are called the prongs. This is called the prong. This point and this point is called the prongs, whereas the handle is called the stem, and this handle is called the stem as shown in the diagram 13.3. And it is a convenient source of producing sound vibration in a laboratory, and this is the instrument convenient source of producing sound vibration in a laboratory. And now come to the 13.4 experiment to prove that sound produced by tuning fork is due to the vibrations of prongs. By this experiment it is proved that sound produced by tuning, this is the tuning fork, sound produced by the tuning fork and due to the vibrations of the prong. This is the when prongs vibrate, then sound. Take a small thermocol ball and suspend it from an iron stand with a light silk thread. You can see in the diagram. Strike one of the prongs of the tuning fork on the hard rubber pad and bring it close to your ear you will be able to hear the sharp humming sound of the tuning fork. And then take a small thermocol ball and suspend it from an iron stand with a light silk thread. Then strike one of the prongs of the tuning fork on the hard rubber pad and bring it close to your ear. And then you have to close to your ear. You will be able to hear the sharp humming sound, and then you will hear sharp humming sound of the tuning fork. Then what will happen? Now touch one prong of the tuning fork to the thermocol ball. It will be observed that thermocol ball flies outward. Thus the experiment proved that sound produced by a tuning fork is due to the vibrations of its prongs. However, these vibrations are generally not visible because the vibrations are too rapid to be seen by the human eye. So due to the vibration, because the vibrations are too rapid to be seen by the human eye. Some common terms used for sound. Consider a freely suspended pendulum in the mean position B. This is the pendulum and you have to put this one is mean position B. And when this pendulum moves towards extreme position C, towards right, it stops for a moment and again swings towards the mean position B, and then to the other extreme position A towards the left and back to B. And this is to and fro motion. When it will leave from here, then it will go like this. This is the to and fro motion, and to and fro motion of the pendulum about its mean position. This is the mean position. It starts from here, then due to this mean position, this is the mean position is called the one oscillation. When it will complete this point to this point, then again it will come here, then it complete one oscillation. It complete one oscillations. This motion is also called oscillatory motion, and this motion is called the oscillatory motion. Furthermore, the maximum displacement of the pendulum from its mean position is called the amplitude. Pendulum from its mean position is called the amplitude. This is called the amplitude, and the number of oscillation produced in 1 second is its frequency, and the same time required to produce one oscillations is called the time period. What is the time period? The number of oscillations produced in 1 second of its frequency, and the time required to produce one oscillations is called the time period. And this is exactly what happens when a material body vibrates. Consider one of the prongs of a tuning fork in its mean position A here, mean position, and when this tuning fork is struck on hard rubber, it will move its mean position A to the extreme position B towards the right. Then it will again come back to the mean position A. Again it will come back from here to the mean position A, and then to the extreme position C to the left, and finally back to the mean position, and mean position is at A. And this to and end flow motion of the prongs about its mean position is called the one vibration. This is the one vibration, and all vibrating bodies or particles cause similar motion. All living or vibrating bodies or particles causes similar motion. What is the amplitude? Question is arises here, what is the amplitude? The maximum displacement AB or AC in case of a vibrating tuning fork of a vibrating body from its mean position is called its amplitude. What is the amplitude? The maximum displacement AB or AC in case of AB, this is AB or AC, in case of vibrating tuning fork of a vibrating body from its mean position, then it is called the amplitude. If a stationary body is struck slowly, it has less amplitude. If any stationary body is struck slowly, then it has less amplitude. However, if the same body is struck hard, then it has a large amplitude. And now you seen that larger the amplitude, the more is the loudness. If amplitude is higher, then loudness is also higher. If the amplitude is larger, then loudness is also more. And in fact, loudness is directly proportional to the square of the amplitude, and this loudness is directly proportional to the square of the amplitude. From the above statement, it implies that if the amplitude increases by factor 2, loudness increases by factor 4. The loudness is measured in terms of decibel. What is the loudness is measured in? What is the unit of the loudness? That is the decibel. What is decibel? It is denoted by small d and capital B. And if a drum is hit softly, a soft sound is produced because the amplitude is less. If it is hit softly, then a soft sound is produced, and this is the amplitude. And however, if the same drum is hit hard, a loud sound is produced as the amplitude is very large. SI unit of amplitude is the meter. SI unit of amplitude is the meter. SI unit of amplitude is the meter. So till here you will take revision till here. You will take revision what I taught today, you will take revision.